Well, howdy, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and if you're an Unreal Engine developer, how does a whole bunch more free stuff sound? Because that's exactly what we were talking about today. Earlier on, last week, we covered off the Unreal Engine February giveaway, and one of the interesting things about it was there was no permanently free edition. And I stated then, in the past when there was no permanently free edition, it was generally followed up with some kind of a standalone release later on in the month. By the way, this is that standalone release, and what we've got is a new addition to the Unreal Engine online learning portal. It is Learning Week for Unreal Engine, and they just launched the Old West Learning Project. Along with that, a number of other content packs used to create this environment were also made available for free. So we have the new Old West Learning Project. One thing to note, this is UE content only, so every week people ask me whenever I do these monthly giveaways if you can use it in whatever engine. In this case, this asset pack can only specifically be used in Unreal Engine. So one of those things to be aware of, but it is an environment, this Old West environment, as well as several different packs that go together to actually create everything we see here. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right into Unreal Engine and take a look first at the overall environment, which I have to warn you is gigantic. This was 20 gigabytes. It's all nanite. Might run a little slow at times. It took about a half an hour to import, but everything is super high resolution. As I mentioned, everything you see in front of you, this is all nanite based, so they're super high resolution meshes that are being downsampled on demand. All the stuff you see here in this environment is yours to use. So if you're looking to create a Western-style game in Unreal Engine, boyo, is this pack big. One thing to keep in mind, though, this pack, again, only used in Unreal Engine, and it is a bit of a pig. You're seeing it kind of chug away on my 3070 Ti-powered laptop. Yeah, this guy is definitely a bit of a pig. But all of these environments, everything you see to create this environment is included. Everything has full interiors that you can see here. So all of the things that you need to make these environments is included. You've got, we'll go through each of the packs in just a moment so you can see what each of those contents are. But here you can see how they are put together to create this Western-style environment. And of course, the learning material that goes along with this, so you can learn how they created this environment. And as you can see, it is a bit of a beast. You probably want to downsample it a little bit, like drop the details down. Or again, you're dealing with raw asset packs. So when we get to the asset packs, they don't have near this level of complexity, so you're not going to have these levels of bad performance going on. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is the new pack. So we got some interesting stuff here. You have the Old West Learning Portal, and then we have all of these packs that were used to create all the content in it. So let's go take a look at those now. So here are the 7 free assets. Now you're going to notice there's still a price tag. It's just because I'm recording this before the thing went live. So all of these should be showing as free on your end. We do have 7 of these packs. 6 of them are nanite, and the other one is full of shrubs. So we have in this pack the Old West Volume 1 interior furniture, tradesman tools and props. We've got travel supplies and goods and supplies. So we've got travel supplies and just traditional supplies. We got town props. We have town and industrial. And then finally, we have my foil, the foliage pack. So let's go take a look at each one of these quickly, hands-on. So this is pack number 1. It's all high-quality stuff. Again, everything here is nanite, so it's super high resolution. So it should be usable in just about any kind of environment. So if you need a lot of beds and household furnitures, drawers, I don't know why in the Old West they never cleaned anything, but apparently they didn't. So you got some blankets going on, some pillows, etc. So anything you need to do, an interior bedroomish space, they got you covered there. Let's go on to the next pack. So that's Volume 1. Volume 2 here. We'll go check out the overview map on it. Here you're getting a lot of wagons, logs, things like that. Again, all nanite. So we got some plows going on over there. Apparently there's a lot of okay, so we got this giant razor blade beside all the, sawmill blade right beside all of the coffins. So that kind of makes sense. So a lot of tools, wagons, coffins, etc. here. So that's volume pack number 2. Head on over to volume pack number 3. Bum, 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 bum. And we've got, this is the travel pack. So we got a gun there. We got some belts. We got some pouches, lanterns, suitcases, travel chests, boots, and so on. And then we'll move on to the next pack. Here we've got other supplies. So this is just traditional supplies. So you've got cans and sandbags, and we've got washing basins and frying pans and cutlery and so on. Pretty simple pack. I don't think there's anything else in that. Nope, that's about the extent of it. And then we'll move on to number 5. And here we've got interior and exterior stuff. So we've got some outhouses here, some carpets, drapes, various different draperies. We got some stoves, stovetops, some chairs, some barrels. We got, again, more stovetops. Again, I love how everything is always weathered in the olden days. So this is like modern old, I guess we're going to go with. So that is that pack. Then we've got, this is the last of the asset packs. Then we've got just the foliage pack left. Again, everything you saw here was nanite. So here we got, I don't know, walls and doors, etc. I got a bunch of tools going on here. Some heads to mount on the wall. We got some player piano. And this is just the nanite high-resolution version of everything you saw over there. And then finally, the last pack here is a Volume 7, and this one is full of shrubberies. I will take a shrubbery over there. So cacti, shrubs, and various different other bits. So that is pack number 7. So those are the free asset packs individually. Now, the nice thing with this one is these should not expire, so they should be available for free forever. Do remember, again, you can only use these particular assets in Unreal Engine, but you don't have a time limit. Whereas if you're dealing with the monthly giveaways, you have to buy those, air quotes around buy, before the first Tuesday of next month. And a quick reminder, this month's Unreal assets include Character Body FX Volume 1, Sim Poly Town, Ultimate FPX Puzzle Pack, the Bank Building Interior Modular Kit, and the Modular Sci-Fi Village. Those were all available until the first Tuesday of March. But this month's free stuff, this day's release of free stuff isn't going to expire. So generally, these should be available no matter when you want. So if you're looking to create an Old West type environment, this was an absolute gold rush for you. I think some of these assets could definitely be worked into other environments if you're doing more rustic horror or a museum piece, that kind of stuff. Could definitely work there as well. But it's a very Old Westy theme. Now, of course, this is also a learning project, so this environment that you see here, even though it's incredibly dense and absolutely slaughtering my computer, this is designed to teach you how to use environments. There are going to be learning materials to go along with it, but frankly, on this channel, I'm more interested in the assets themselves. If you are creating an Unreal Engine project, you can use these in your own environment however you wish. Again, just do make sure that you stick to Unreal Engine only in this particular case, and training materials should be uploaded as well very soon. I'm not going to wait for that to happen. I want you guys to know about this in a timely manner. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. The Unreal Engine Old West Learning Project, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 asset packs, all yours for free forever, so long as you're using Unreal Engine. So, yeehaw, partners, what do you think of the quality of these assets? Are they useful to you? Let me know these things in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.